If your wrists feel like they are screaming after a long day at the office, this split setup might just be the lifesaver you have been looking for. It looks a bit strange at first, but there is a very specific reason for that unique shape. The X9 split ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo is designed to put the hands in a more natural position, and once someone gets used to the split layout, going back to a standard flat keyboard feels almost impossible. The first thing to notice is that soft pillow wrist rest. It is not just a piece of hard plastic. It actually provides a cushioned surface that keeps the hands level and reduces that annoying strain during marathon typing sessions. But it is not just about the shape. This setup is surprisingly quiet. The keys have a semi-silent feel that is perfect for working late at night or in a shared office where nobody wants to hear constant clicking. The included contoured mouse is just as stealthy. It fits the palm naturally and features 4 different DPI modes, so whether the task is navigating a massive spreadsheet or doing some light photo editing, the precision is right where it needs to be. One of the most impressive features here is the multi-device connectivity. This combo pairs with up to 3 different devices using Bluetooth 5 or the 2.4 GHz dongle. Switching between a laptop, a tablet, and even a smartphone is seamless, which is a huge win for anyone juggling multiple screens. It even includes 14 shortcut keys, including a dedicated button for Copilot, giving instant access to modern AI tools and media controls. The build quality feels solid, and the sleek gray finish gives it a professional, modern look that elevates any desk setup. Plus, there is no need to hunt for AA batteries, because both the keyboard and mouse are fully rechargeable. A single charge can last up to 2 months, which takes a lot of the maintenance stress out of the equation. It is a thoughtful, well-rounded package for anyone looking to prioritize their health without sacrificing productivity. This setup is a fantastic investment for long-term comfort and efficiency.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.